Hi and welcome to another video of campers.eu. In this video I want to talk about the new Volkswagen California Beach, and then in the camper version, so not the tour version. The camper version has the little cooker in the side panel, which is very cool. I will show that in a minute. It's the T6.1, so it's the new generation with all the new features. It's a very nice car. So I want to do a room tour with you guys. If you like these videos, please like it and share it and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next one. So here you have the 2021 California Beach. As you can see, we have the opening on the front of the canvas. That's an optional extra for the California Beach. Every California Beach has normal H7 headlights. You do not get the color-coded mirrors and door handles, they're just black. And you can recognize it here in the back. Normally with a coast and ocean you have here the filler for the water, and here's a 220 socket for outside, the hookup I have to say. This is an optional extra for this car. Normally it's not standard. We've opted on this car because it charges the extra, the leisure battery, the camping battery, which is quite handy of course when you're camping. And then the big difference, here we are. This is the tailgate of the California Beach 2021. So this is the California Beach camper, which means that it has the cooker on the side. If you have the tour version, you do not have that. A big advantage of having the cooker on the side is that in most countries it's seen as a camper van on the registration of the car as well, and that gives in a lot of countries it gives some advantages in form of paying less road tax or having less taxes for registration. So that's why a lot of people want this camper version. Now then, another thing you see here, this is a smaller bench, so there's an opening on the side. So this is the 2-seat bench. You can for free upgrade to the 3-seat bench. So this is the 2-seat bench, and then you have a storage compartment all the way on the side. This one is designed to sleep on, and next to that you can sit on that, and it's pretty okay. But the 3-seat bench is really designed to sit on, and next to that you can sleep on it, but it's a bit bumpy. And this is nice, a flat surface when you make it into a bed. Another big advantage is that you have a big drawer down here below. Let me open that. So you have more storage space in this bench than you have with a 3-seater. You can opt for an extra seat. So it can be a 5-seater. Then you can put an extra seat here in the rails. You need 2 rails for that. So you can or you place it here, or you place it there, so then you have 5 seats. But that's one of the big differences now in 2021. Normally this back compartment would have been fixed, and now you can see I have put this up so that the seat can go further backwards, and that's of course nice to have some extra leg room when you have the extra seat in. Next to that there's storage down here. What's new as well is this whole storage compartment on the side is new. Open this one for you. I've now put the headrest in there, and there's quite a lot of luggage. That's a big difference between, I mean, the bench is the same as the California Coast and Ocean, except for the headrest. With the Coast and Oceans, they flip over when you make a bed, and here you can just pull them out. And so that's a difference as well. You can also put this part of the multiflex board, you can put it upwards to have better access to your storage. Let me see. You have your lights, like every California has your lights over there, and also here at the sliding door. You have your blinds. Look, they're there for every window. You have to do that with 2 hands actually, but I only have 1 hand because I'm holding the camera. But that's all standard. You have your 2 seats, 2 chairs, camping chairs in the tailgate, and you have your other table here in the sliding door. And this table, we also use that for inside, so you can use it for outside and for inside. Now that's, and of course you have 2 swivel seats. I've swiveled 1 seat around now. And then the biggest difference for 2021, and that's there's a kitchen, or a cooker I have to say, built into the sidewall, which is very nice. And I'm hoping I can show. Let me get a good angle. So you can just grab it from here and you pull it upwards, and then it comes out like so. Now here, as you can see, some workspace, and then over here you have a burner with your ignition, your piezo ignition, and just a turning knob. All very nice. And still, if your feet are not too long, you could put your feet underneath there. I don't think it will work, but it's nice flexible space. You can just put it away when you go to sleep, push it up, and then it goes in like so, and then push it inwards, and it clicks into place on the side. Very clever. As you can see, you can put the table in here in the side, and when you pull it out, you can also put the table in here still. So that's very clever. And I will show you they changed the table a bit for the California Beach. Let me see if I can grab the table from the side door. Yeah, there we go. So here, I have to lower the camera one moment. There we go. So this is the table. You have 4 legs, 1, 2, 3, 4. You see? It's a bit hard to do, but we'll manage. And then you have these clips on the side. So here, you just pull and put them out. There's also one underneath here. And then you can connect the table to the side of the kitchen here. Yeah. But for this new model, you have some extra clips. So here are 2 clips as well. You can pull them up, turn them around, and click them back in place. Yeah. Same on this side. Pull them up, turn them around, and click them back in place. And now you can use the table even sideways. You can connect it to the kitchen, and that's very clever. I will get back to you in a minute, and I will put the table to the kitchen. One moment. Now look at that. Now the table is connected to the cooker. Like you saw, I clipped those clips on the side. I had them the wrong way around. You have to put them the other way around. It's only one way. I could not see that on the camera, so I had to do it to turn them around. But they're connected here, over here, and over here. You just put out 2 legs, like so, and then it's connected. So behind the driver's seat, there's a locker down there, and in here you can put a gas bottle. So your camping gas bottle will fit in here. It has all the connections you need. There's the hoses there, and it's also locked. You can see here, down here, if it leaks, the gas will go outside and go underneath the car. So it's well protected, well insulated. And if you, there's also a main knob to turn on the gas. And that's located in here. I don't know if you can see that. I don't think so, but it's located in here. Another thing, this car has the 220 pack. Like I said, you have the main hookup, and with that you also get a 220 socket in here. There's your 12-volt socket over there, which is nice. And new for the 2021 California Beach is on the passenger side. There are some USB ports, so you can charge your mobile phone. And then up here you have 12-volt socket as well. The nice view of our showroom. Oop. There you go. And then if you turn around, there's the bed here. Wow, this bed really made a big difference. Now we have the disc underneath the bed, so it's a bit more comfortable. No, all in all, very nice bed. This is 120 by 2 meters. So here you have the downstairs bed now. With this lever here, you pull the seat forward, and then there's a strap. If you pull this strap, you can push the backrest backwards, and then it locks into place. Put the seat belts on the side, and you have your bed. Of course, Volkswagen offers a comfort mattress for this as well. It does not have the comfort mattress right now. And we ourselves, we have designed a comfort mattress for this as well, of memory foam, so it makes it a very comfortable place. Let me go from the back, so if you have a full overview. Now that's a very big size bed. So that's the California Beach 2021. I hope that's helpful to you, and I just want to go over the options that this car has. This is a 150 horsepower car with a DSG gearbox, and then you have the 2 seats bench, as we saw. You have a multifunctional steering wheel in this car, power folding mirrors, the canvas that you can unzip, and it has parking sensors front and back. It has adaptive cruise control. It has the composition color, the standard radio, with App Connect. That comes as standard now, so you always have your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with you. It has all-weather tires. It's something we order a lot nowadays. It has the 220 hookup with the battery charger. It has a full spare wheel, the privacy glass in the living area. It has, next to that, it has a light and vision pack. So that means that you have a rain sensor and a light sensor. It has DAB radio, and it has a tire pressure monitoring system as well. So with that you have, oh, and it has the auxiliary heater. The auxiliary heater, it's an optional extra for the coast and for the beach. We always opt for the air auxiliary heater because it's stronger, it runs better, and then the hot air will come out of this pillar, and it will suck in air here from here. And new for the 2021 California Beach is also that we have now the control panel. So there you have it. If you have questions about this car or another California Beach that is coming in soon, or you want to build your own one in our configurator, as you know, we're always open to help you. And if you have questions, please let us know, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.